Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into something that's an absolute game changer for anyone who's on their feet all day. Whether you're working, running errands, or just living an active lifestyle, the right shoes can make all the difference. So in today's video, we're taking a close look at the standing all-day shoe, stylish, functional, and designed for non-stop comfort. I will request you, please watch the video till the end. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about design. These shoes come in a couple of standout colorways. We have this vibrant pink and teal combo that's perfect for those who like to make a statement. And they also come in a sleek version with black soles and another with white, no matter which one you pick. They're all designed to catch the eye and elevate your style game. Now, beyond the aesthetics, the first thing that struck me about these shoes is how light they are. Seriously, they feel almost weightless in hand, and that's all thanks to the advanced materials used in construction. We'll talk more about that in a bit, but just know these shoes are built to keep you moving comfortably all day. If you like the product, find the product link in the description and comment section. Let's get into what makes these shoes special. First off, the wave design soles. These are not just for looks. The wave pattern is all about functionality. The design helps distribute your weight more evenly across the foot, reducing pressure on key areas like your heels and arches. This means less foot fatigue, even if you're standing or walking for hours. Another great feature is the breathable mesh upper. If you've ever struggled with hot, sweaty feet, especially during the summer, you'll appreciate this. The mesh fabric allows for excellent airflow, keeping your feet cool and dry. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in comfort. And let's not forget the cushioning. These shoes are equipped with EVA foam soles, which are known for their lightweight properties and excellent shock absorption. Every step feels cushioned, almost like you're walking on clouds. This makes these shoes a great option, not just for casual wear, but also for light workouts or a long day at work. All right, let's talk fit. These shoes are available in a range of sizes, and they run pretty true to size. When I tried them on, I noticed right away how snug and secure they feel without being too tight. The lacing system allows you to adjust the fit to your liking, which is great for people with different foot shapes. If you like the product, find the product link in the description and comment section. The interior is smooth and soft with no rough seams that might irritate your skin. And because they're so lightweight, you hardly feel like you're wearing anything at all. I've been wearing them for the past week, and whether I'm out for a quick jog, running errands, or just standing at my desk, they've been super comfortable. For those of you who need a bit more arch support, you might want to add an insole. But even as they come, these shoes offer a good balance of support and flexibility. One thing I love about these shoes is how versatile they are. You can easily pair them with workout clothes for a sporty look, but they also go well with jeans, casual trousers, and even skirts. They add a pop of color to any outfit, making them a great statement piece. But it's not just about looks. The versatility extends to how you can use them. Whether you're heading to the gym, going for a walk, or spending a day out in the city, these shoes have got you covered. They transition seamlessly from one activity to the next, which is a huge plus if you're someone who's always on the go. Let's talk durability. These shoes are built to last. The materials are not just lightweight, but also tough enough to withstand daily wear and tear. The stitching is solid, and the soles show no signs of wear even after a week of heavy use. Maintenance is pretty straightforward. Because of the materials used, they're easy to clean. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth usually does the trick. And remember, no bleach that could damage the fabric. Air drying is also the way to go to keep them in top shape. If you like the product, find the product link in the description and comment section. To wrap it up, the standing all-day shoes deliver on both comfort and style. If you're someone who's constantly on their feet, these shoes are definitely worth considering. They offer great support, look fantastic, and won't weigh you down. If you're interested in grabbing a pair, I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.